so I figured I'd show everybody or whoever might want to see it how I make tea steaks for jewelers and silversmiths. I think they're sold through Auto Fry. I think I'm the only person left making them in America anyway. Here's how I start out. I use my horizontal mill, and we're going to cut a nice radius across the top of it. Come over close. Then you can see the smoke. What I'm doing is cutting this back radius. I did this one on a vertical mill. I roughed them out with a shaper. I'll show you a picture of film that running in a little bit. I make a whole bunch of different types of tools. These are how they start out. Well, they start out as bar stock, and then I machine them, cut a radius on the lathe, stamp them, my name on them, paint them, polish them. Here, see the big tub of them. Just show some pictures of the shop. Yes. That's my vertical mill. More of it. Pretty useful. That's my pantograph. Not very useful, but gotta have one. Hard to live without it. Vertical bandsaw. Oh, my new lathe. Look. This is my latest toy. It's a Rivett 1020S. Super high precision. All I got to do is hook power up to it. I just got it in the other day. I restored it. And then I got my Moore jig door. That's pretty sticky. Got to put power to it as well. Come see the last of the cut. We're almost through. Each one takes a couple minutes. There's a lot more cuts that I have to do to them, but I try to do them in batches and do all the steps in one setup. And that's what it looks like. It'll look much better when it's done. I'll show you all the rest of the things. Here's what they all look like. Yeah, we're probably going to have to edit this. I guess just film some of this. Show them my big shaper. I'll turn it on. This is my hydraulic press that I built. I use it to stamp all the steaks. It's a little overkill for that, but I use it to bend and form large steel as well. And here's all my polishing equipment for the steaks. And here's my MIG welder and my TIG welder. And my son Vincent. And my cold saw that I use for cutting all the stock up. And my surface grinder. And come on out here, I'll show you the power hammer.
We haven't seen this yet.
Oh, this is my main lathe that I use for most of my heavy turning. It's a 1942 Pratt & Whitney Model B. Pretty rare, but a really top-of-the-line machine, even for now. And here's my belt sander that I built, so I can polish all the steaks, and my pneumatic power hammer that I built, and my forge that I made. That's where I heat everything up so I can bend it and form it. And my anvil that I made over there. I wouldn't recommend making an anvil. It's a huge waste of time. But it does work well. It's all hard-faced. It's 350 pounds.
And also we have another one in the living room. Hi.
Alright, I guess that's it. I'll post again later.